Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write SQL queries only way. Begin by thinking of the data you need and which table holds it. Write a select clause listing exact columns, add from to name the table, and then plan filters with where. Consider join to combine related tables and use group by for aggregates. Keep queries simple, test step by step, and name results clearly for easier debugging and reuse. Start filtering early so queries return manageable row counts and run faster. Apply where for precise comparisons and use, and or to combine conditions. Order by helps present results meaningfully, while limit and offset paginate output for dashboards. When using like, avoid leading wildcards for better performance. Test filters on small samples, then expand them to full datasets to verify accuracy and speed before deploying to production. Aggregates let you summarize large datasets quickly, so pick the right function for your goal. Group data with group by to compute totals per category and use having to filter groups. Joins merge related tables, inner returns matches, left preserves left side rows, and full returns all rows. Always validate join keys to avoid Cartesian products. Label aggregated columns clearly and test aggregated outputs against raw data for trustworthiness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.